We earlier heard about RCOM, that is the latest to join the bandwagon, aiming to raise funds through short-term debt issue, but you have more lined up for sure. You have, all right, let's just go across to Smita Bhattacharya, who will tell us more details coming in. Smita, tell us who are the other telcos that are aiming to raise funds and why do they need the money at this point in time?
Yes, Shabani, to answer the second part of your question, now in the short term, most of the telecom majors are looking to raise money to give what they call a data push, expanding their broadband and enterprise solutions. Also, if there's mobile network portability coming in very soon, they would need to invest in making this whole process easier. So in the short term, they're looking at expansion plans, MNP as possible areas of investment. In the long term, of course, there is 3G investment to look at. Now, Reliance Communication in particular, they're raising around 3,500 crore through short-term commercial paper or NCD. And money would be used for short-term investment, and a part of the money may also be used for 3G auctions going forward. And last, they had a cash in hand of around 4,400 crore in the September quarter. Now, if you remember, around 4 months back, RCOM had prepaid their debt of around 6,000 crore, which had resulted in an annualized saving of around 750 crore. But now again they analyzed their cash and debt situation and they realized they would be needing around 3,500 crore for short-term expansion plans. Now this is not the only company who is looking at raising funds. We also heard of Idea Cellular, who have recently raised the borrowing limit from 20,000 crore to 40,000 crore. Vodafone, there was news of it intending to sell the 4.4% stake it holds in Bharti Airtel, which could itself fetch close to 9,000 crore. Bharti Airtel again is looking at raising money because although it has around 6,500 crore in cash balances, they're also looking at acquisitions. The latest we heard of Bharat Telecom possible stake sale. So all these companies, despite the carnage that's going on through the market and questions of eroding profitability for these telecom majors, they're unmindful and they're actually investing money for expansion and possibly 3G auctions going forward.